Hey, Dewey McDonald here, Guaranty RV. I got a brand new 2020 Coachmen Catalina. It's a Trail Blazer, it's a toy hauler. The 19TH is the model number. Let's go in and take a peek real quick. You still got plenty of room in here to put some quads and stuff. Actually, the patio deck works out here. Here's your rail kit that goes around, drops down your ramp door. So you got a TV here. You got storage above us there. Microwave above us here with a fan hood. You got your burner right there, oven. You got your big sink right there. So good little counter space on this model. Right here, you got more storage above us. So you got your corner bed here, but at least you can get around it. So it's queen size bed, you get the corner, you got cabinets above it all the way across there. Storage here, little spot there, put your cell phone, charger, you know, and that good stuff right there. Bathroom right here, nice big tub, shower, toilet. You got plenty of height there for big tall guys. Here's your control panel for your heater, air conditioning. You got LED lights above us. You got your Norcold refrigerator freezer right there. There's your fuse panel down below us, but you got tie downs all the way. Tie down your quads. TV has got DVD player, stereo system right there. A little table hill, portable table to put around. This is a bench seat that folds down. You can also sleep on it. So a little storage above there also. But you know, I mean, a little smaller toy hauler, so at least you got pretty good room in here. Let's go outside and you got a nice big grab handle going out. This got the new solid step right there that folds up into the door. Okay. You got electric awning, goes all the way pretty much throughout. You got outdoor speakers, you got a LED light above us. Little spot for her TV right here. You got cable hookups, power, storage that goes under the bed. All the way across there. Pretty good little storage spot there. You know, like I said, a little smaller toy hauler, which a lot of guys are trying to stay small. So electric tongue jacks, got the big tanks. The batteries go in the front here. This is the other side to the storage unit. Here's your sewer outlets right there. Water, power. It's got an outdoor shower right there. Fresh water. Cable satellite hookup. So like I said, the back door folds down, then you got the patio rails that go around it. It's pre-wired for backup camera. So if you're kind of looking for a little smaller toy hauler, you know, want something great big, some of these parks you can't get into that big of ones. So this is kind of a nice size. Come see me, Dewey McDonald, Guaranty RV.